that you're here with us tonight, and I am